Hi, I'm Mark Sherling, President and CEO of Terra. We're the makers of WebWork Azzier, the computerized maintenance management software that's been around since 1979. Most of the organizations that we work with are not short on effort. They're short on visibility. This makes it difficult to prioritize the work, to understand the cost to control, and to stay ahead of failures instead of reacting to them on a regular basis. I go into many maintenance operations and I see how some of them think they're being proactive until they see what my Azzier customers are actually doing. We bring everything together in one place. We provide a better picture so you can see what's going on, and then we can start analyzing the organization to provide recommendations for improvement. So suddenly you're not coming into work in the morning and there's this frantic panic to get everything done and figure everything out. A lot of it's figured out for you. The information is there, the preventive maintenance is set up ahead of time, and a proactive approach can now be taken to manage your assets. Stronger maintenance data is critical for making decisions that will impact your bottom line on a daily basis. So Azzier is a product that has that depth, it has that experience, and it is a product that will grow with you throughout the years. So you don't have to change it out every 5 years and start with another product. You just go deeper into the product, save money, save disruption. I should mention that our average customer on Azzier has been with us for 12 years. Some of our customers have been with us for over 25 years. And they stay with us because we evolve, we move forward, and we're always making sure that the software is on the leading edge of technology.